I'm going to show you how I maintain my keratin treated hair. When I am exercising or I am too hot, I always put it up in one ponytail like this. And after I'm finished and I take my shower and ready to do what I have to do, I take it off. Because after exercising, all of this is wet, like all of this, but because of the keratin, it doesn't change my hair back to natural. The only time my hair looks natural is when I wet it and I decide to shampoo it. When I shampoo it, it looks natural. Other than that, it does not revert with sweat. This is what it looks like. I finish exercising, I take a shower, and this is it. I'll take a comb and I'll comb it out according to how I want. I had rollers in the day before, so when I put it in one plait, it doesn't change it. I just comb my hair according. I have a bag of rollers here. They're all different sizes. I'll use the rollers, I'll put it in my hair, and then just before I'm ready to film, I'll take it out. So after I exercise, I will use this hair serum by Dominica. I'll put it all over, comb out my hair, put a couple rollers in, take my shower, do what I have to do. When I'm ready to film, I take them out and then I'll have curls. My hair does not revert. As you can see, I'm sweating, but that doesn't do anything. So I will take this. And it's the Freeze-Free Amika Oil Serum. This is it right here. I rub it and I'll put it in my hair. I don't need a lot. And it does not make your hair greasy. That's that. And then I will comb my hair out. Now my hair is all untangled. I comb my hair out. I can style it anyhow I want. I can style it this way if I want to. I can do anything I want. Sometimes I will put this on. But my hair will hold the curls. It will hold the curls for sometimes a week. It depends how much I comb it out when I style it. But it will hold the curls for as long as I don't comb it out all the way every time I style it. And I will, just wear it like this. But my keratin treated hair is very, very easy to maintain. And I love to put it up. Most of the time I'll have it up. If I put it down, if I'm too hot, I always have a scrunchie around my wrist. I'll put it up for a little while, and then when I'm cooled off, I will put it back down because it's menopause, You just have to work with what you have. But this is how I maintain my keratin treated hair. It's very, very easy to maintain. Most of the time, I will do rollers maybe twice a week according to the hairstyle I'm going for. If I just want the same hairstyle and just, fluff it off and just part the hair different way, I'll roll my hair once. If I'm going for something different, twice. And it is the Amika Superfruit Star Lightweight Hairstyling Oil. I have different oils, so I'll use different oils different time. But this is it. Thank you all again for watching. Remember, until I see you and you see me, love, 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 and care for yourself. Bye.